Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle in this puzzle page, not in the weekend edition. No, it's today, actually Friday, April the 26th, 2024. Because tomorrow it's King's Day on Saturday. Yeah, King's Day. We have no newspaper, so the publisher has decided to publish the weekend edition on Friday. And I've already solved three puzzles in this puzzle page: the 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, and binary with 4 stars. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8434. 8434. Okay. 8434. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Could be a 1-star. Could be a 2-star puzzle. For a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 2 stars, well, 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is a 2 stars or 1-star puzzle. So let's get started. First question 2 is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, always a 1. Alright. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we see here a dual box. Do not know in which order the numbers, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. How about next question? The triple boxes contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, cannot see any triple boxes here. How about quarter boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, here we have a quarter box. The 2 is already given. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box level 3 in this quarter box should be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. Here also a quarter box. These 3 boxes around the 2 can be 2. 1 box left, the 2 in this quarter box should be here, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first shape is the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box is the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more? Yeah, here another one. Yeah, what? This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about, well, let me draw this here then. The Z construction. Here we have the Z construction. Let me draw this here then. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here, and that box has the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The Z construction. Okay. Only one of them. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. This box has the same name as that box, but also that box has the same name as this box. In this case here, is the 1 or a 2 here. Okay. This box has the same name as that box. Okay. Only one T shape. Then the following shape, the last shape. That's this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape. Yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. This box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here, another one. This box has the same name as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. All right. Let me see. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left and 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Okay. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left and 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Okay. Then these two boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. But also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left with the 2 in this W area shape should be here. Is connected with that box should be so 2. Alright. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left with 4 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 to 5, 2 to 5. Well, I don't think this box should be a 2, because if this box is a 2, then that box should be also a 2. But we already have a 2 here in the same area. So this box should be 5, definitely 5, and that box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be so 5. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left with 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. And then, let me see. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left with 5 in this W area shape. It should be there. And then, let me see. Let me see. Mark those two boxes earlier with 2. We already have a 2 there. So this is going to be 2 at the moment. That box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here, the 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 5 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for 5 in this area, should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 1 box left in this W area shape for number 3. And I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 3. Two numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. For the 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then these two boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Then let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think this box should be a 1 because if this is a 1, then that this box is connected with that box should be so 1. But we have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution place to place the 1 here. Only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright. Okay. Then let me see. I think this box should be 3. Because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Alright. I think this box should be 2. Because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 3 and 4. But we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Then I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this cross area. For numbers 4 and the 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be and a 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. I mark this box with 1 or 2. We have a 2 in there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this duo box for number 2. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and 5 is connected with that box, should be so 3 and 5. Well, we need a 4 in this Z construction. Well, this box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this Z construction should be here. So the 3 and the 5 are left in this Z construction. 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. Okay, we go up. Then these two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. We go down. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this quadra box for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be and a 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, not the 2 stars, not the 1 star, should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, on King's Day. We have an additional, and in the evening, the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, have a great and fantastic Friday. See you tomorrow on King's Day. Bye-bye for now.